Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Earnings Empowered by AI. Friends, do you wish to use a faceless YouTube automation channel to generate income? There are a ton of tutorials on YouTube that show you how to make money on YouTube by making endless short videos. But they all follow the same steps and focus on the same markets. The psychological data indicates that the large number of new YouTubers were also successful, but because so many channels are now operating in the same way, the market is now very crowded and competitive. Thus, it's now nearly hard to launch a new channel and succeed in this market. But fear not, I will share another less competitive niche using the same technique today. Canva and ChatGPT will still be used for this, but the content I am creating this time will be on a whole other level. By the time this video concludes, you will have automated your YouTube channel with AI and have your very own faceless channel that you can finally monetize. Not only that, but here is a YouTube channel which is the quiz channel dedicated to quiz and riddle videos to provide you with proof. Millions of people are watching these videos or shorts. Their ability to keep viewers interested and their curiosity with each quiz and puzzle is the basic reason for their viral success. Let us now tackle the most pressing issue. Is the channel really monetizable? Using the vidIQ, we can investigate it. As you can see this is monetizable. And when you will see this channel on the Social Blade, then they are earning approximately $297 to $4,800, which is incredible. There is another channel which is Quiz Monsters. When we will see on the Social Blade, then this channel generates almost $1,000 a month in revenue through advertising. We will make a channel much like this one today. Let's start. First, we will use ChatGPT to construct riddles. As soon as you enter ChatGPT, provide a prompt as: imagine you are a science riddle expert and your task is to create 5 interesting and quick science riddles for the audience to solve. The riddles should be easy enough to engage and entertain participants. Each science riddle should have 3 options and only 1 correct answer. Please follow the table format below to present your science riddles. I will also add the title, hook, body, option 1, option 2, option 3, and answer. I will also give it an example to get more refining results. Please ensure that the science riddles are engaging, well crafted, and provide a satisfying solution. Is the next sentence I will add, and this is the outcome. Enter another prompt in the form of a table now. It's ideal now. We have 5 riddle quizzes from ChatGPT. You can now create as many riddles as you like, 50, 100, or even thousands. In fact, I will produce 20 more for the instruction. Simply ask ChatGPT for 20 more and the outcome is shown below. Now make a copy of the riddle table and paste it into an Excel or Google sheet. Okay, the puzzles are prepared. Go on to the following step now. Go on to the second step. In this step, I will utilize Canva to create videos that contain riddles. If you have not used Canva before, sign up using your email address or Google account. And you can also use Canva Pro trial. Alright. Once you are on the Canva dashboard, click Create a Design and choose Mobile Video. The Canva Creator page is this. We will start by adding a background videos to the canvas. Go to the Element tab and use the search box to look up motion line to accomplish this. Once the video clip has been chosen, click the three dots menu and choose Set as Background. That is ideal. I will now provide the quiz title. Choose the heading after selecting the text option. Return to the Google Sheet or Excel sheet, whatever you are using. Now copy the first quiz title and then paste it into the text field after adding a heading text. Now change the text color and font size, whatever you like, and set the position at the top of the page after that. It can be improved by adding a text background. Alright, I will add the quiz hook now. Once more, select the text option and create a subheading. Assign the location beneath the heading. Next, send to the Excel sheet. Copy the hook and then insert it into the Canva. To make it seem great, adjust the text font's color and size now. Next, you can add a picture to enhance the visual appeal of the video. Select Element from the menu, then look for pointing up. Navigate to the Image tab and choose a picture. I will select this. Now maintain the position at the bottom of the page while adjusting the size. I will add the body now. After creating a new subheading, take a copy of the Excel sheet's body content. Change the color and size now. Additionally, you can apply a background effect just below the hook text. Maintain the location. Okay, I will post the answers immediately. I will make the answer box beforehand. Navigate to the Element tab and pick a rectangular form. Make the form into a box. Position yourself at the base of your body. Now make a copy of the box and paste it beneath the first and second boxes. If necessary, then change the text size before adjusting its placement on the first response box. Add the second and third answer using this procedure. Here is the crucial part. We need to adjust the element's time. Click the body's three-dot menu, then choose Show Timing. After the video has been playing for 3 seconds, I want the body to appear. From the beginning, drag the body layer. Next, choose the hook wording. After that, I will set its timing to begin in 3 seconds. Choose the picture. It will have the same content as the hook. Next, after the hook text displays, choose the answer and specify its start time. Utilize each and every solution. Okay, let me add a timer now. Add whatever timer you like. Navigate to the element tab and look for the timer. Navigate to the video tab, then choose one timer. If necessary, modify the size of the answer box and place the timer underneath it. The timer will now only last for 10 seconds and I want it to start once the answer does. Modify the positions time. Alright, now for the right response, make a copy of an answer box and color it to a different. Now change the timer's position. Next, duplicate the right response and insert it into the appropriate response field. When the timer goes out, this answer box will show up. Establish the time as previously. After doing all of this, give each element some animation. After selecting the animation button, include the animation. I think it's fine now. Yet there is still a gap. Short, tunes. Canva's music is available for use, but a copyright claim can be made. So I will advise utilizing music from the YouTube music library because of this. Simply choose a song from the YouTube music library, then click the download button. Upload it to the Canva after that. Add the music to the timeline and adjust the timing. Okay, we are done with the editing. Now let's view the video. That is ideal. The most crucial portion of the video is now complete. Now we can use the bulk produce option to create an infinite number of videos. Navigate to the apps menu. Look for the bulk create tool from this point on. You must enter the data after choosing the bulk create tool. Return to the Google Sheet or Excel sheet and download the file as a CSV file beforehand. Once more, return to Canva and choose Upload CSV. Put the CSV file online. This is where you may locate the table data. We now need to link the data to our video. Visit the creator page and click on the desired title. To connect data, click the three dots menu and choose Connect Data. Choose the title. After that, connect relevant data with each piece in this way. Once everything has been configured, select Continue. Next, review the information. Click Generate Design. Once everything is correct, the design will take some time to create. And this is it. As you can see, Canva used table data to create 20 pages for us. Examine the pages before downloading and make any necessary changes if you find any. Once everything is configured, choose the download button after clicking the share button. You now need to select download pages as separate files or else the video will download as a single file. Okay, click the download button and the zip file containing 20 videos will download. Let's examine this. Okay friends, let me now conclude our video. I would be interested in knowing about your experience using AI to create YouTube shorts before that. Post your ideas and outcomes in the space provided for comments below. For more incredible instructions like this one, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your watching, and until we meet again, happy making, and remember me in your prayers. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.